Welcome to another episode of Bow and Beyond Travel Talk, where we dive into the latest trends and insights in travel, helping you create magical vacations. I'm your host, Abby Howard, founder and CEO of Bow and Beyond Travel. Today, we're excited to share some incredible news with you. This October, we'll be attending Careers on Vacation's Wander Beyond Retreat. It's an immersive event hosted by Cindy Williams and other travel industry experts, taking place aboard Royal Caribbean's newest ship, Utopia of the Seas. In this episode, we'll talk about why we chose this unique retreat and, more importantly, how it benefits you, our valued clients. Let's dive in. As travel advisors, we believe that one of the most important things we can do is invest in our own education. The world of travel is constantly evolving, and we want to make sure we stay on top of the latest trends, best practices, and tools to better serve you. That's why we're attending the Wander Beyond retreat. This event brings together seasoned experts like Cindy Williams, who have guided travel advisors through industry changes and challenges. With decades of combined experience, these speakers have helped advisors like us navigate tough times and grow stronger. We're excited to learn from the best and come away with new ideas to make your vacations even more special. Beyond keeping up with industry changes, professional development events like this give us the chance to collaborate with a community of like-minded professionals. It's an opportunity to exchange ideas and discover fresh approaches to planning the perfect vacation. So, why Wander Beyond? What sets this retreat apart is its focus on advisor development without the influence of big name supplier sponsorships. That means the focus is 100% on the training and education. No distractions, no sales pitches, just the tools and resources we need to grow as travel advisors. We're especially excited about the flexibility to choose sessions that are most relevant to our business, whether it's business financials, social media strategies, client care, or mindset. Each session is designed to give us actionable strategies that we can bring back and apply to your travel experiences. There's also a hands-on learning component, which allows us to dive deeper into the practical aspects of our work. Whether it's collaborating with experts or participating in interactive sessions, we'll gain valuable insights that will help us continue to refine and enhance our services for you. Investing in our education is key to offering the best travel planning experience for you. While online learning has its benefits, in-person events like Wander Beyond offer an extra layer of energy and motivation, which helps us sharpen our skills and deliver an even better service. This retreat gives us the chance to learn from industry leaders, connect with other advisors, and build on our knowledge in ways that directly impact how we can serve you. We're excited to bring back fresh tools and ideas to ensure your vacations are smooth, stress-free, and of course, magical. Ultimately, everything we do is centered around serving you better. By attending events like Wander Beyond, we're able to learn new strategies, stay up to date on industry trends, and improve the way we plan your trips. Whether it's discovering new ways to enhance your experience or offering services tailored to your needs, we're committed to making your travel planning journey seamless and enjoyable. If you're as excited as we are about creating magical, stress-free vacations, we'd love to help you plan your next adventure. Whether it's a family trip to Disney, a cruise, or a fun-filled Universal adventure, we're here to make it happen. Click the link in the description to schedule your complimentary consultation, and let us turn your dream getaway into a reality. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Bow and Beyond Travel Talk. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more updates and travel tips. And until next time, happy travels.